Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
When my teacher is a robot. One day, I and my friend go to school at the 6 a.m. In the class, I and my friends, I am talking about ghosts, so that someone will operate. And when come from school, I see my teacher go direction to forest. Then I follow the teacher to enter the forest. When I was the third, I lost track and I failed to follow it. The next day, my friend I went to school earlier than yesterday. At that time, I was still suspicious of yesterday's story. When I came home from school with the some incident, I saw the teacher go to the forest again. When I followed the teacher, I was trying like her was something I didn't know about in the forest. When I followed the teacher, I stepped on the brush so that I was found out by the teacher. Then the teacher ran as fast as possible and I chased from behind the teacher. When I was teaching the teacher, I found a small house full of technology. At that moment, I saw the teacher entering the house. When I see the teacher is a robot, and I just realized that my teacher is a robot. When I returned home, I lost in the forest. I worked until morning and I won't leave the stores. When morning comes, I get out the forest. That I realized my teacher was not robot. Apparently the teacher is from another school, and I confess my teacher is not a robot. My real teacher is human, being an ordinary person. So do not doubt your own teacher. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.